Reviews surveys IRS consider it a financial asset or property, and as with most other investments, if you reap capital gains is selling or trading it, government wants a piece of the profits. On May 2021, the US Department of the Treasury announced a proposal that would require taxpayers to cryptocurrency transaction of $10,000 to the IRS. Advantage and disadvantage of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency hold the promise of making it easier to transfer funds directly between two parties without the need for trusted third party like a bank or credit card company. These transfers are instead secured by the use of public keys and private keys and different forms of incentive system like proof of works or proof of stake. In modern cryptocurrency system, a user wallet or account address has a public key, while the private key is known only the owner and is used to sign transactions. Fund transfers are completed with minimal processing fees, allowing user to avoid the step fees exchanged by bank or financial institution for wire transfer. Disadvantage: the semi-anonymous nature of cryptocurrency transaction makes them well suited for a host of illegal activities such as money laundering and tax evasions. However, cryptocurrencies advocates often highly value the anonymity, citing benefits privacy like protection for whistleblowers or creatively living under repressing governments. Some cryptocurrencies are more private than others. Bitcoin, for instance, is a relatively poor choice for include